So this wānanga is about empowering rangatahi here in Te Matawa Māui. We're about basically a preventative approach to our ngangara that's going around whakamomori, but it's a whakamana way that we do it. So it's about running workshops and wānanga to empower rangatahi and to give them the tools for when they may get to that stage of te pō and bringing them into te ao marama.
So today's kaupapa is the unspoken word rangatahi hui. This is the 5th year we've been running this kaupapa, which we're very proud of. We know a lot of these rangatahi kaupapa can be one-hit wonders, but we've been able to sustain it for 5 years. And so we're here in Maraenui, which is my neighbourhood. It was where I was born and raised. I literally live on this street right here. And so it's very special to have a lot of local rangatahi. The biggest protective factor against rangatahi suicide is identity, and with our rangatahi having the highest rates of suicide in Aotearoa, and Aotearoa compared to the rest of the world doesn't look so great, we know that the key to helping a lot of these rangatahi is teaching them about their cultural identity, giving them the tools of their tūpuna.
So we do that through mahi toi, so we've got like drama, dance, haka, all that sort of stuff. Plus we've also got hākinakina to manage our taha tinana. So we've got Kī-i-Rahi, Horohopu, Mau Tī, some indigenous sports.
I think young people are over people telling them how to solve their own take, how to solve their own raru. We don't give them enough credit. They know exactly what to do. We just have to give them an opportunity, a space. We have to create space for them to come together and wānanga about it, and actually sit next to the bro and say, oh chair, I'm not the only one that feels like that. I'm not the only one that's been subjected to that.
The next few days for me is about helping the new people come in and building confidence and learning more about their Māori side, to know that they're not alone, and how special it is to be Māori.
At the moment, I kind of just want to go back home to my iwi, to my ahika, and just start from there. Just because, lately I've been thinking about going on the marae trustee, just to learn the roots of that, even though I'm still quite young.
At the end of this wānanga, I hope that all these rangatahi, that they've learnt tools and that they've done things that they didn't think they were good at, that they've built up some skills, and that they've just been given the space to be able to dream, so that they've got some, a chance to aspire to do things, because they're so talented, but I guess they don't really think about those things until they're brought into environments like this, where we let them, become fruitful.
It's just kind of like a passion of mine. I just love helping rangatahi, especially the ones that fall through the gaps or don't have the support. I love seeing once you bring the tools and the environments around them that are positive, seeing that change that impacts their lives, not for only themselves but their whānau as well.
I'm really grateful for Harlem, because if it wasn't for Harlem's kaupapa, I wouldn't have met Shah. They're really inspiring, they're young wāhine, but they're doing a lot for our people, and that's what we need, more people like them to help our people.
I would say to our rangatahi and our wāhine out there, our kōhine, to kia mau ki tō ngākau Māori. Hold on to your Māori heart, hold on to your Māori ways, because that's what's going to pull you through all the time.
Kia mau ki tō tātou Māoritanga. Ko tērā te hononga mai o papatua nuku kia koe. We descend from greatness, man. Walk our talk. We're the first voice heard on this marae. We're the first voice heard on any marae. That's mana right there. Te mana o te wāhine.